sound quality for the AirPods is even better than some of the Bose headphones that I've tried. The bass is loud and crystal clear. The most good thing about sound quality of the AirPods is that they sound exactly same as the wired earpods, which means no synthetic audio. They sound really studio quality. Now let's talk about latency. I'm actually surprised because these are wireless headphones and technically they should have higher latency than wired earpods. But guess what? Zero latency. I played some games like Among Us, that is an online game, which means I was expecting to hear sound delays. But nope, none at all. Zero latency. I could use them for 7 hours until the battery dropped from 100 to 2%. Just put them in the case and they get fully charged in just 15 minutes. The case itself charges in an hour and can charge the AirPods 3 times before it dies. The battery life is amazing. For some reason, as soon as I take out the AirPods, they stop playing. And whenever I put in the AirPods, since it's in maximum volume, they just blast music in my ears. They also have automatic ear detection, meaning if you take them off, then the music or the video will pause. Putting them back in ears will start playing from where it paused. This is a feature I love the most. So there you have it, the Apple AirPods. Are you planning to buy these too? Let me know in the comments and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!